All actions can make a difference in this world. Especially these two processes, photosynthesis and cellular respiration.
Photosynthesis lets plants take in water and carbon dioxide to produce sugar and oxygen. Oxygen is very much needed by living things to survive. Photosynthesis needs to happen because it also provides food for the plants. If plants do not receive the energy from the sun, they will die. When plants die, herbivores will have less food, and less food may cause their populations to go down. This may affect the food chain or the food web.
Cellular respiration produces energy by breaking down glucose through the process of glycolysis. Living things need energy to be able to do different activities like moving and eating, etc. Cellular respiration also provides energy.
Now that you know photosynthesis and cellular respiration, imagine life without it.
Exactly, we would have no life.
Without photosynthesis, we can't live. It's a major part of our way to live. Without it, we can't get oxygen.
Same goes for cellular respiration. Without ATP, we can't move and do our daily activities.
Stop these activities which will affect us in the future.
Activities that affect the system and what we can do to stop them from continuing.
First, we need to think about ourselves and what we can do to stop these horrible activities from continuing.
Look at this guy over here.
Me?
Yeah, you. What you're doing is very bad.
Then what do I do then?
Don't step on the plants, look where you're going, and spread the word.
If you step on the plant, you'll break it and the systems on it. And so photosynthesis and cellular respiration can't happen.
Another activity similar to stepping on plants is spraying chemicals at plants. They both destroy important parts of the leaves and could stop photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Now that you know the bad effects of pouring chemicals onto plants, spread it on to other people so they can stop doing it too.
Secondly, as a student, we have to stop these activities. And also, we have to tell our classmates to stop as well.
In school, students usually get bored, so they throw rocks at plants. But what they don't know is that this can be worse than stepping on plants and pouring chemicals on them as well.
There are many ways to stop this activity. One, you can tell your friends not to do it. And if they don't, then you can report them to the proper authorities. This is one of the worst activities to do to a plant because it might destroy the plant and itself.
You know, most students are lazy, so instead of throwing their trash at the trash bin, they throw it at plants. Similarly, this is also very bad because it can pollute the air, and the plants breathe this air. It can stop the process of photosynthesis and cellular respiration. What we can do to avoid this is by telling our classmates and reporting them to the teacher if they don't want to listen.